How rest builds emotional resilience and helps you bounce back from failures. Discover how prioritizing rest enhances emotional resilience, stress management, and mental strength to bounce back from setbacks with ease. Why rest is a secret weapon for emotional resilience. Hey, I wanted to share something that's been on my mind lately: how important rest actually is when it comes to building emotional resilience and bouncing back from setbacks. You know how life throws us curveballs all the time, right? Whether it's a tough day at work, a personal failure, or just the weight of stress piling up, it can feel overwhelming. But here's the thing: rest isn't just about recharging your body, it's a fundamental coping strategy for boosting your emotional strength and mental fortitude. Now, when most people hear rest, they think about sleep or taking a break. And yes, those are crucial, but rest goes beyond that. It's about giving yourself permission to pause emotionally and mentally, too. I mean, true rest, stepping back from constant stimulation, quieting the mind, letting yourself just be without pressure or judgment. How rest fuels psychological resilience. Imagine you're trying to bounce back from a big failure. Maybe it's a project that didn't work out or a personal challenge you weren't prepared for. When you're mentally drained and emotionally overwhelmed, your ability to manage stress and regulate feelings takes a serious hit. But by prioritizing rest, your brain gets a chance to reset. This helps improve emotional intelligence, your ability to understand both your own feelings and others, which is key to learning from failure instead of spiraling. Think of this like muscles after a workout. You don't get stronger by pushing nonstop. You need rest days to repair. Your brain and emotions work the same way. When you honor rest, you're essentially giving your nervous system the space it needs to heal and grow stronger. That's at the core of psychological resilience. It's the ability to not just withstand stress, but to emerge from it more capable. Simple rest based coping strategies you can try. Okay, but in practical terms, how do you build this into your daily life without it feeling like just another thing on your to do list? Here are a few approaches that have seriously helped a bunch of people with stress management. Micro rest moments. Take just 1 to 2 minutes throughout your day to close your eyes, breathe deeply, and imagine a peaceful scene. It sounds small, but these tiny breaks add up big time. Digital detox breaks. Stepping away from screens, especially social media, can reduce mental clutter and emotional overload. Gentle movement, light yoga, stretching, or a slow walk encourages circulation and relaxation without overstimulation. Journaling. Writing out your thoughts and feelings can be a form of emotional rest, helping clear your mind and process experiences. Prioritize sleep hygiene. Create a comforting bedtime routine and limit caffeine or heavy screen time before bed. These are not just nice to haves, they are core parts of effective coping strategies that strengthen your mental fortitude. When you integrate rest into stress management like this, you're effectively training your brain to be calmer and more adaptable under pressure. Ripple effects, transforming tiny traumas. If you're interested in really understanding the subtle ways our emotions react to stress and how tiny traumas can accumulate, there's a brilliant book called Ripple Effects, Transforming Tiny Traumas. It explores practical techniques for healing and building emotional resilience through honing your rest practices and self awareness. Whether you struggle with emotional ups and downs or want to strengthen your psychological resilience so failures don't keep knocking you down, this book offers actionable insights that really stick. I highly recommend checking it out and seeing how you can add these tools to your own coping strategies. Go ahead and purchase the book now. It's a game changer for anyone ready to build emotional strength and improve their stress management in a nurturing and realistic way. Remember, rest isn't laziness, it's part of being strong. Taking care of your emotional resilience through rest is one of the smartest ways to bounce back from failures and keep growing, no matter what life throws at you.